Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to explain to you how to send USDT from Binance to Binance. So basically what you're going to have to do is simply go to binance.com and then simply log in into your account, and then you should see this option at the top right corner, which is the wallet. Simply click on that and basically you're going to get redirected to another page where you can see all your cryptocurrencies in your Binance account. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply look for USDT, and under action you can see that you have different options. You have the option to buy, sell, deposit, withdraw, trade, earn, and convert. So what you're gonna have to click is simply click on the withdraw button, and then basically what you're gonna have to do is simply enter the other Binance USDT address, then simply select the network, and basically that's all you have to do. Of course, you're gonna have to choose the amount of USDT that you want to transfer. So basically that's all you have to do. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.